This month's recipe is pretty common but has a little twist at the end. You need a 4-ounce bottle of white glue, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, princess sprinkles, 1 tablespoon of contact solution, and a 2-ounce pack of soft modeling clay. Mix your glue and baking soda. Add your contact solution and stir until the slime starts to slide off the side of the bowl. Knead your clay a little and then add it to the mixture. Now you can add your sprinkles. Continue to stretch your slime. The consistency of this slime is great and makes for great molding projects. If your slime still feels too sticky, you may need to add a few more drops of contact solution. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.